Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video we are going to be looking at Class 7 Maths chapters 1 to 5. Let's start from chapter 1, Integers. Integers are any number from minus infinity to plus infinity. They do not include decimals. Okay, we have got, so if you're subtracting or adding, there are these signs that you will meet. So plus plus is equal to plus, minus minus is equal to plus, and plus minus is equal to minus. So basically, if the signs are different, they're equal to minus. But if the signs are same, you add them, okay? And then for the answer, you put the sign of the bigger number. So in this example, minus plus, wait, let me just grab this one. Minus plus is equal to minus. So for minus 3 is 1, and then add the sign of the bigger number, which is obviously 1. Let me just zoom in a little bit and then show you guys. It is equal to 1. Commutative property. Commutative property is if one number plus another number is equal to another number plus that number. So you can reverse the orders really. Associative property is 1 plus 2 plus 5. You can change their order. So you can do 1 plus 2 first, or you can do 2 plus 5 plus first, or you can do 1 plus 5 first. So that's our property right there. Multiplication property can be distributive property. Now, these three properties can be used for multiplication as well. Sorry, this is not a property, not this one. But these two properties can be used for multiplication as well. But this one, this distributive property is only for multiplication. So if you do 2 times 4 plus 7 and they're in brackets, you need to do something. You can either just go ahead and add these two, which will be 11, so 2 times 11 is 22, or you can go like 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 7 is 14, which is equal to 22. You can do that. Any number by 0 is not defined, okay? And 0 by 6 is obviously 0. Let's move on to chapter 2, decimals and fractions. Improper fractions is the numerator is when the numerator is bigger than the denominator. And proper fractions are when the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Mixed fraction is when you have a whole number with a fraction. And to make this mixed fraction an improper fraction, you can just like multiply 2 times 4 is 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 by 4. That's very easy stuff. Like and unlike fractions are these type of fractions. If you have a fraction with the denominator the same denominator as the other one, they are like fractions. However, if they have a different denominator, it means that they're unlike. Very easy and simple and straightforward. 1 by 2 times 3 by 3 is going to be 2 times 3 is 6, 1 times 3 is 3, so 3 by 6, or you can simplify that into 1 by 2, which is a half. What is reciprocal? If you have 1 by 2, that will be equal to 2 by 1 if you do the reciprocal of that, and you will use that when you're dividing. Let me show you how that works. If you have 8 divided by 4, 4 by 1. Okay, if you have that, then you can, and that's by 1 as well. Then you can leave one number as it is, and then you can do the reciprocal of the other number. So it will be 8 by 1. Now it won't be division, it will be multiplication, and it will be 1 by 4, like that. And then we just multiply it, which is 8 by 4. So that's going to be our division for 8 by 1 divided by 4 by 1. Now this is a sentence, King Harry died, mother didn't cry much, which helps us remember our measurement units of measurements really. So K stands for kilo, H stands for hectare, D stands for deca, M in mother stands for meter, D in didn't stands for deci, C in cry it stands for centi, M in much stands for milli. And now, how can we use this? Every time when it gets lower, it gets divided by 10. So meaning 1 kilo is equal to 10 hec, 1 kilogram is equal to, so 1 kg is equal to 10 decagram, right? So you can use that as that. So you can also use it as 1,000,000,000. I know you get this, right? So 1 kg is equal to 1 million milligrams, and you can just get that out with this little trick. Okay? Remember it, and it will be very useful.